Why I'm a left libertarian. Society doesn't work. If people were informed about government gang stalking, they would clearly see what our sick, dysfunctional society has become. But even before that, I knew our society doesn't work. I went to a conference once with colleagues, and I found that my results of an inventory we were given was different from everyone else's. I was an introverted, intuitive, feeling, judging type, 5% of the elementary teaching population. My type, the conference leaders said, as elementary teachers, had the highest suicide rate. I don't think you could find a more poor person-environment fit than putting an INFJ, a dominant, introverted, intuitive, whose gifts are best expressed in philosophy or psychology or the ministry or social work, etc., into an elementary classroom. An elementary classroom requires the gifts of a sensing feeling type. But when I chose to become an elementary teacher for all the wrong reasons, I didn't know that. I didn't know that because I was miseducated, a product of our mass educational system that alienates people and leaves them upon education with little self-knowledge and a lot of memorized, disconnected facts in their head that are mostly useless and irrelevant for life. My real education began after college, when I became a voracious reader. I was looking for something, myself. And after spending most of my adult life reading, I found it. I wrote a book expressing some of what I found, The Search for Being. When my crazy neighbors in New York targeted me for government gang stalking, it was because I didn't know how to bolster their weak egos, because I was different from them, an introvert, an inner self-explorer, an intuitive, different from their extroversion, different from their sensing that put what they knew into neatly labeled categories in a linear arranged file box. Of course they wouldn't understand my psychology. We were too different. Our society doesn't know what to do with difference. It doesn't really allow it. I see differentness when I look at mass murderers. I think a lot of them might have been introverted, intuitive, thinking, judging types, one of the rarest and most misunderstood personality types, especially by themselves. Try to put a square peg into a round hole, what our society too often does with its dysfunctional institutions, and that's what you get, unconscious rage. So I'm a left libertarian. I believe in a totally different society. I, from the very beginning, would empower people in our schools, in our workplaces, in our families, in our healthcare, in our government. I would have schools run by teachers and parents and students, democratic affairs, where there would be ongoing dialogue and the mutual setting of goals that would be constantly revised as experience dictated. I would infuse democracy into all our institutions, creating a dialogical society where people were empowered to set goals and to devise and revise means in an ongoing way to attain them. Flow. That's the word which would describe my process society, where means would matter, means that respected human creativity, individual autonomy, where ongoing thinking would replace thought that is handed down from generation to generation until it makes no sense in current changing conditions. I am a left libertarian. I do not believe in the God most people believe in. I do not believe in life after death. I think this is it, our one shot at this precious thing called life. And in my left libertarian world, we wouldn't waste one precious moment of it. We would be fully immersed in it, with all our emotions, all our intellect. We wouldn't give it up following other people in an authoritarian way. I will think, we would demand. I will feel, we would demand. I have never before walked on this earth, and I will do it in my own unique way, like a leaf falling from a tree, naturally, respecting nature, respecting the whole of which I am a unique part. Unique. We each are a never-before repeated event. Yet we are herded into institutions where groupthink is the rule, where individuality isn't nurtured or respected. I am a left libertarian. From the experience of my 66 years on this earth, I know firsthand the destructive effects our institutions can have. I have seen the ruined lives our groupthink has wrought. It's time for change. Let the world know about government gang stalking. Let the world see the ugly bitch America has become. And then let's begin anew. Let all our voices be heard, sounding their experience of what has gone wrong and what new direction we need to take.